Welcome to the Selma Kit for MODO. Let's look at simple polygon selection. These operations are new and enhanced versions written in C++ of the stock assembly aliases. You get nice icons and better performance. Select triangles, select quads, and select n-gons do what you would expect. Select polygons by vertex count is an enhanced version of the equivalent alias. It will select polygons with between a minimum and maximum vertex count. If the maximum is less than the minimum, then it is ignored. Select polygons by area will select polygons between a minimum and maximum area. The minimum and maximum distances are given as the side length of a square to keep the numbers manageable. As before, if the maximum is less than the minimum, it is ignored. The Selma Kit for MODO is available on Gumroad now. See the links below.